Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and locating the dataset to replace. Sign into the Power BI service and open the exact workspace that holds the dataset. Make sure you are listed as an owner or have the needed workspace role. Once there, identify the dataset name and note any reports tied to it. Also prepare the replacement source, a PBIX file or live connection, and verify table and column names match the expected schema before proceeding. Next, upload or publish the replacement while preserving the dataset identity. If you have a PBIX, publish it to the same workspace and choose the existing dataset to replace. This keeps report links intact. If using a new connection, open dataset settings and update the connection strings or parameters. Make sure column names and data types align. If there are differences, adjust queries or apply transformation steps. Once uploaded, validate that scheduled refresh and gateway settings are retained or reconfigured. Finally, validate the replacement by triggering a manual refresh and opening dependent reports to confirm visuals and measures behave as expected. Check refresh history and gateway connections. Make sure credentials are current and scheduled refreshes are active. If something breaks, inspect schema differences between old and new datasets, review error messages, and consider reverting to a backup PBIX while you fix mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a backup PBIX with the prior dataset ID so you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.